Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This printer is HP Deskjet. I want to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Open up this cover, open the cover, then you wait for the ink holder to move and position itself to the center. To replace the ink, put one finger on top of the cartridges to pull it down. Then you remove it. This printer is using ink cartridges 305 or 67. If you want to replace it, the colored one goes to the left, the black one goes to the right. So we want to start with the black. Just need to go in straight and position it on the center, pull it up, then do the same thing on the colored one. Go in, pull it up, then close the cover. This is how to replace the ink. The gauge, you see two lines for the ink cartridges to show you the level of the ink. If light is highlighting this place, it means that the ink cartridges is run out or there is a problem with the ink. I'm going to remove the ink for you to see. You can see amber light highlighting, and also the gauges are now empty. It shows that the ink cartridges are not installed. So we're going to put the ink back for you to see. So once you open it up, you wait. The colored one goes to the left. The black one goes to the right. Then close the cover. Then you look, wait for a few minutes. The light is gone off, and also you see that the two gauges that was empty earlier are now full up. So this is how to install the ink cartridges. This video tutorial is applicable to all the HP Deskjet printer. Thank you very much indeed.